brief history of the town. Sibalom was driven from the place Siba sa Idalom, meaning the water flowing at dahil during a devastating storm water spilled into holes made by the Salima o large crab-like creatures, weakening the hill until it collapsed. As people witnessed the disaster, Balong was founded under Spanish rule and became home to Malays from Borneo led by Dato Sumakwel. Early communities were formed as the area developed into an organized pueblo. 1751-1793. During this period, the Roman Catholic Church was built through forced labor, marking the strong influence of Spanish religion. 1802-1809, Sibalom experienced major challenges include pestilence, destructive typhoon, famine, and revolts against Spanish authorized led by local leaders. In 1898, the inspector improved with the construction of the municipality building in Spanish rule finally ended in 1998 when Filipino forces liberated the province. 7th significant people. Dato Sumakwel led the early Malay settler from Borneo who established the first community in Sibalom. Don Pedro Antan served as the first Gobernadorcillo, helping organize Sibalom as a formal town. Agustin Baladay used Spanish abuse and became a symbol of resistance. After being freed by his follower, Gregorio Palermo King Arroyo led a revolt against Spanish authorized and organized resistance in the mountain. Santiago Lotilla encouraged agricultural development and oversaw the construction of the Roman Catholic Cemetery. Geography. A first-class municipality located in Antique, Philippines. Total land area 26,869.73 hectares. 80% rolling and mountainous. Sibalom na primarily speaking Malaya, composed of 76 barangay, the largest in the province, feature the Sibalom River Valley, the biggest flatland in Antique. Main livelihood and farming known as the Rice Bowl of Antique, rich natural resources, art and craft. Geography. Called the gemstone capital of the Philippines due to abundant semi-precious stone. Mount It River, 3 kilometers stretch, is a major source of gemstone. Declared a municipal natural heritage site 2019. Culture, traditional craft. Pottery, making barangay Bari Sibalom. Preserved the art of pottery where clay is shaped by skill, turns into vessel that reflect both fashion and cultural. Heritage. Bulok making, the traditional of bulok making, binangon in Barangay Odyong Sibalom, continues to thrive where fire and steel are skillful shape into lasting expression of craftsmanship. Sadok making thrift into Pantao, Iganya, and Rambang Sibalom, where artisans weave farmer arts from bamboo and natural fibers, reflecting cultural identity and everyday rural life. Culture Festival. The Berluganay Festival celebrates every December in Sibalom, Antique. The Berluganay Festival is a vibrant cultural event that showcases the unity, talent, and heritage of the Sibalom people through street dancing, performance, and display of local products and achievements. Cultural historical site, Rizal Monument, one of the oldest Rizal monument in the country. This edifice was first erected during the term of Municipality President Numisio Narao on 1908-1909. 182 years old church bells keep up the welfare of the Roman Catholic Church Santa Rita de Casia Parish. Daniel Bush of Andres Bonifacio, the price of the municipality of Sibalom in the province cleaned up with contest sponsored by the Antique, representative to Congress and Angels Razar. Culture food. Chicken probida, a local dish prepared and cooked with coconut milk, alupidan leaves, and fruit and chili, sapal or fermented rice that is a popular staple in Panay.